Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create auto captions for videos, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that matter, simply go to the TikTok, tap on the plus. Now go ahead and record yourself a video, and once you're done, go ahead record yourself a video, and once you're done, then tap on captions. Now here it will automatically generate you a caption. Go ahead, tap on this check mark icon, and there you go, a caption will be added. Here you can check it out. You can go ahead, tap on this icon, and now your video is ready. You can simply tap on drafts and keep it in drafts, or you can simply go ahead upload it as well. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.